I came across this really interesting paper from Google that is about creating natural language outline for code. We have been building ArchAI for some time, and one of the challenges we feel is retrieving the right code for LLM to give inference, summarization, or coding activity on. And the challenge there is that same code elements are repeated across your code base, and it's really hard for vector data search, which understands the semantics meaning based mostly on natural language, to figure out what code piece you need. And this is a really interesting solution. So idea of here is that every code that you write, you add a natural language outline here. For example, if I just expand it, okay, this was the node, then you added a docstring that traverses a graph from the start of node. Then before doing search, you write performs a depth first search. So it puts a lot of natural language in between, which makes it really easy for vector data search to retrieve this. So this makes a lot of aspect of coding and code maintenance really easy, which this paper highlights as well. So this is a nice diagram that for code understanding, now you can just glance through and understand the code. And I always do this manually also. So whenever I try to understand a code, I ask GPT to put extensive doc strings and comments, because then you are not reading just giant text or summary, but rather you are understanding code, how it's written, with a natural language outline. So code understanding will be much easier. Then code maintenance, right? Because you can now search and retrieve the data easily, that you can just search the text and accordingly find the data. You could also know that what was the intent and if there is a mismatch, and that way you can make changes that are required. And overall developer experience in like browsing through the code writing, code review becomes a lot more easier. So this is an interesting idea that we'll try prototyping at ArchAI. But it is something of your interest, do let us know. We are looking for design partners and people who are interested in solving this problem together. We also think that this could be the way that code is stored at all time, and we could, for example, in our PR review, create this natural language outline that makes it much easier for whatever LLM tools that you are using to be more effective on your code base.